Today let's learn about the domestic animals. It's so pretty out here. Let's meet our farm friends. Good morning, superstars. Domestic animals are friendly animals that live with people on farms, in homes, or in gardens. They help humans in many ways, like giving milk, eggs, wool, or being a loyal pet. Friends, introduce yourselves one by one.
Peep, peep.
Hi, I am Bingo. Bingo, the guardian dog. Watch my tail tornado.
Hi there, Clucky the hen reporting. Cluck, cluck.
Boing, I'm Billy.
Billy the goat.
I am Molly the cow, and I moo 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 la la.
Hi friends, Star the horse reporting. Prancing with shiny mane shine.
Hi, I am Poppy.
Poppy the pig. Let's roll, wiggle, and oink.
Come on up, friends. It's talent show time.
We can do it!
The day has arrived. You're all amazing. You all win together. Yay! Let's dance! Yeah! Thanks for watching.
Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.